Good evening, YouTube. Head Idiot here. Wanted to tell you a little story about being blessed, per se. When I'm working on my ARs, I had constructed this little contraption, you know, a little magwell block, you know, voila. You can work on it to your heart's content. You can clean it from here, you know, you pop that dead gum little sucker, yeah, clean it, you know, what have you. And, you know, that's great for an AR. But let's say you're going to work on one of these. No, not going to happen. Or, you know, even just like a shotgun or something. But, so it's kind of limited. And, well, my brother-in-law, Jim, he decided, well, he saw my limitations and he was going to do something about it. Well, he had bought one of these for his personal use. I had seen them online, but they were out of my price. Anyhow, he bought one of these and it was too big for his bench, and well, so he gave it to me for my birthday. This will handle any of my rifles. You get these adjustable clamp-like mechanisms back here to clamp your stock good and tight. You know, you have a movable center support here, which can also go tall, need be. It flips that away, so say I'm not going to bother screwing that down for right now because something upcoming. So, you know, you can even work on your ARs with this, and it'll provide the support so you can, okay, nothing's clamped, but if it were, you can work on it, clean your gun, nice padded rest up here. Fantastic. Well, if my brother-in-law was not nice enough, he went ahead my brother-in-law, he went out and got me this special piece that's specific for working on ARs. And, you know, goes right into place here. Okay, get my knob started. I can't get my knob started. Yeah, what you have here is a T-headed bolt that follows this channel. There we go. That follows the channel, and you can adjust things wherever you need. I put that on backwards, didn't I? Yes, I'm looking at it. The hammer block there, which is another nifty feature. Okay, turning it around. As you see, it's very quick, simple adjustments. Okay, so now you've got something that's specific to an AR. And, you know, should you want to disassemble and, you know, work on your lower, not a problem. You even have a hammer block here so that if you fire, you're not going to kill your hammer. Very nice feature, in my opinion. But leaving your rifle together, you've got a great You want to clean it, what have you. Although I would recommend putting a little cup or something under the end of the barrel, you know, to catch solvent or oil that may run down. Yes. Silly little thing. But it is nifty and even accommodates monsters. It'll also accommodate big monsters like, well, this little guy here with the 24-inch barrel that, well, gravity fought against in my other little block vise mount. So it works with ARs, even those that are still in process. Gives you a nice place to work on it. Put in your hammer and trigger springs. Alright, dog. Your safety and such. And because it does move to a variety of positions, you can even use it when you're putting in that little bastard piece, the bolt catch roll pin that is sometimes very annoying. One more nifty feature about this, I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees the opposite way. Stick it in your pocket for now. You have an area here for working on your bolt and particularly punching out the roll pin for the extractor. Another awesome, like, extra feature. And of course, you know, you have little trays and stuff to hold things while you're working on it. But all in all, if I had to buy one, now that I've had one, I think I actually would. Okay, thank you, YouTube.